Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's right folks, $10,000 a month. Now my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. They will help you work towards getting $10,000 a month. Now this is a massive opportunity, so click the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to that review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'll give you 4 exceptional bonuses. Now my first bonus shows you how to supercharge your money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. So I suggest you grab it and you will reach your online income goals quickly and easily. Bonus number 2 is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman. So when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference, so you become the middleman. And bonus number 3, you will learn how to create a massive income, and this is crucial folks. It's a recurring passive income, and you can do it with these. Now the 4th bonus will show you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And you receive a high converting website to boot. And then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, in a nutshell, this is a high quality PLR product that you can brand as your own and then reap the rewards like you never have done in the past. The vendor is Sejan Alanthor, and he's behind this product. He has several personal development products in Warrior Plus, and his sales fly off the shelf. So if you're in the personal development niche, this is one product that you should take a hard look at. There are 5 things you should know about Vision and Victory with AI. And that is that you gain full access to a fresh, cutting-edge topic, complete with edible rights. There's 8,752 words included and 47 pages of content. You can tap into a massive global audience, and it's an evergreen niche, which certainly sells throughout the world. And you can rebrand it, revamp it, and become its author if you so choose. In other words, you can be creative with this product. Go wild. After all, it's PLR. Now, inside the front end, you will receive a high-quality rebrandable ebook, Vision and Victory with AI. You'll receive 5 professionally designed ebook covers, a workbook, a cheat sheet, a done-for-you sales page and a thank you page, a hypnotic sales page, and video as well. You will receive a full set of professionally designed graphics, follow-up email swipes, 10 social media image pack, and 10 short videos. And you receive private label rights license as well. Now, there are some fast action bonuses coupled with it, so if you act quickly, Bonus number 1 is the Ultimate PLR Handbook, which is really an innovative strategies for maximizing your PLR package and earning potential. And bonus number 2 is a PLR sales funnel setup training. Now the sales funnel looks like this. The front end is for $14.95. Now there is a dime sale with this one, so it rises up to $19.95 as sales come in. There is a $37 deluxe package, a premium customization package for $297, a combo offer for $97, a PLR lead magnet for $77, and a series of PLR videos for $147. Now, watch for the down sales. You'll save some money, but you'll get less product. Now, if you need to know more, click the second link below and get the full story. And before I go, check out to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. Check out my 3 coaches. And check out my 4 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They show you how to buy services from Fiverr and Pocket the difference, I should say. And they show you how to gain recurring income online easily. And finally, they'll show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, thank you for watching, folks. We'll see you next time.